Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Vole, and welcome back to a brand new LEGO video where today I'll be showing you how to build this fully automatic LEGO machine pistol. Now, before you get to building this LEGO gun, I highly recommend you check out our shooting montage video. If you do want to go onto our more detailed video, feel free to do so. But the shooting montage shall give you a very quick, brief preview on how this gun works. And without further ado, it's now time to show you how to build this awesome weapon. Enjoy. So the first part we'll show you how to build will be the low receiver of the LEGO machine pistol. The low receiver includes the pistol grip, the trigger guard, and the magazine release. And as you can see, your low receiver is now complete. So we're going to show you how to build the magazine. Now you have built the LEGO magazine. So, next we'll be showing you how to build the upper receiver of the LEGO machine pistol. This includes the trigger, the actual mechanism housed inside the gun, and of course the false look-alike interchangeable barrel and the smooth part on the top. During this, I'll also show you how to apply those rubber bands. Okay, before you can finish building the Lego gun, you'll have to attach this almost complete upper receiver with the fully completed lower receiver. But before you do that, you do need to attach one of the rubber bands we're going to configure onto this weapon. Otherwise, if you don't put the rubber band in for this one's the most important, the gun will not work completely. So what you want to do is you want to get the trigger up, and what you want to do is you want to get a rubber band. It can be any rubber band, you can buy it from anywhere, and what you want to do is you want to kind of slot it through in here. And what you kind of want to do is you kind of want to bring that part around the back so it doesn't get in the way of the gears. Then what you want to do is you want to meet up here with your rubber band, push it through onto one side, and then you've got it on the side you want, which is the side with this blue Lego piece here. And what you want to do is you want to put your tension onto one of the Technic holes. Actually attaching this rubber band can be easier said than done. However, should you have the rubber band configured in a way so that it looks kind of like this, then you've pretty much done the right thing. All that's left to do is to actually put this part of the upper onto this lower receiver. So what you want to do is you see these two parts here, you want to get the trigger in between them, like so that the trigger will stick out here. Preferably, you do not want the rubber band to be displayed. Although if part of the rubber band does show, it doesn't really hurt too much. Now, for the magazine release, you may want to take this part off, and attaching the rubber band is fairly simple. You want to get any simple rubber band. For you guys, I'd recommend using something stronger. Because I'm on the verge of destroying it, I'm going to use just a rubber band that I've accumulated on this gun for absolutely ages. So that's one positive you can add to the list of them, that the rubber bands are actually quite durable on this weapon. So what you want to do is you kind of want to thread it through, and this is the fiddliest job in the world, and that's why I've taken this part off. So you really need to feed it through, and if your finger can get it, that's job well done. Then when you've got the rubber band on both sides, what you want to do is you want to attach part of the rubber band onto the actual magazine release lever, and what you can do is you can wrap it around like that, just to give it a bit more oomph in terms of tension. And then what you want to do is you want to wrap it around these two parts here. Okay, bit of a fiddly job, but if you can get it so that it works like this, and the false magazine can fit up through here like so and be released like that, good job. Now all that's left to do is reattach this part and then reattach these two parts onto your Lego gun like so. All it's left to do is put the top on and of course build it. Okay, So after putting all these parts together, you have finally built the Lego machine pistol. And for our last part, allow me to show you how to load. So all I've got left to do is to show you how to load, and it's very simple. So what you may notice is that this part here acts as a spindle. I've got a set of rubber bands here, and all you have to do to load is put the rubber band around the spindle and rehook him on the other side of the gun, like so. And then you repeat this same step, how many rubber bands you're loading. So if you're loading 4, you repeat it 4 times. If you're loading 3, you repeat it 3 times. What you want to do is you want to miss one part of the spindle out and hook it on another to kind of help with the control of the rate of fire. But if you think you can handle loading it on each single part of the spindle, then go for it. It is definitely controllable that way. It just will go very, very quickly. All that's left to do is, if you really want to, you do not have to, you can load this Vole style magazine that I showed you how to build earlier. All you need to do is insert this mag into the Lego gun, optional, have the bands loaded, aim with your weapon, and then you can pull that trigger. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more, click subscribe. And of course, next time, we'll be bringing out this weapon. We'll be showing you this Lego hunting rifle. Semi-automatic, uses a gear style mechanism for multi-doma, and uses a very similar magazine design. So, I guess you can say that that magazine is pretty damn interchangeable. But anyway, thank you for watching, and of course, keep on building.